Birthday desserts bring joy, but can be challenging when it comes to food allergies. According to the CDC, about 8% of children in the United States are affected by food allergies. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'm throwing a birthday bash and keeping the most common food allergens in mind. It's a party everyone can enjoy without any dairy, nuts, wheat, or eggs. Cookies and cream shakes. To begin, add into a blender a half cup of Ripple Kids unsweetened original plant-based milk, a fourth cup of ice, 3 frozen bananas, 1 heaping tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 2 Catalina Crunch chocolate vanilla sandwich cookies. These cookies are made with the same delicious taste and crunch as your favorite childhood cookies, but instead use a blend of pea protein and cassava flour. Blend this mix on high until smooth and creamy, adding more or less Ripple to adjust the thickness to your liking. Ripple Kids is a plant-based milk that provides the same essential nutrients as dairy milk, while having 0 added sugar, dairy, nuts, or soy. Once that's blended, top the mix with 1 or 2 more chocolate vanilla sandwich cookies and enjoy. Planning and executing an all-inclusive birthday bash is easier than you think. From the snacks to the activities, party favors, and desserts, your Hy-Vee dietitians can help you throw an allergen-friendly birthday party that allows every child to participate and not feel excluded. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.